Fiber-loaded rubber stock adds flexibility along the length of the belt and provides greater lateral stability in the pulley. Form ground to ensure precise top width and sidewall dimensional control for proper fit to the pulley. Thermally active tensile cords for maintenance-free performance when properly installed and tensioned. Resists oil, heat, ozone, weather and aging for improved belt life. Meets or exceeds SAE J636C specifications. Gates Automotive XL V-Belt is a durable, long-lasting replacement V-belt designed for the most demanding engine drives. Due to thermal forces in the vehicle engine, this variable notched belt tightens on the drive as it heats up to prevent slippage, improve belt performance and reduce noise. Top reviews from the United States. Worked well. This is the alternator belt for a 2004 Nissan Frontier 4 CYL truck. Other vehicle-specific belts for this application from AutoZone, Top Cog, etc. did not last. They rode too low in the pulleys. After a little bit of wear, belt tension could no longer be adjusted. This Gates belt is wider and rides higher in the pulleys, affording plenty of belt tension adjustment.